Makeup was always a love of mine.
Makeup kind of like helped me find myself.
Coming out of my shell, I was really nervous.
It makes you feel so amazing.
You have this freedom to express yourself, to express your emotions. Every time you swipe that brush, you swipe that eyeliner, in that moment you forget about everything.
You want to look at the collection and feel like you're on a vacation. You should feel like an escape.
We wanted that to appeal to every hue of undertone that would go with anything and for anyone.
Being able to create a lip kit that matches every eye, lip, face, it gives you that confidence that it is okay to be who you are and believe in what you believe in. I feel like e.l.f. stands up for whoever you want to be, and they were always there providing me amazing products.
Going to Beautyscape was terrific.
Everything you've worked hard for is finally paying off.
The shade names were inspired by everything we saw while in Bahamas. The colors
And the art in particular.
Cocoa,
Paraíso, Caliente.
I honestly have not been able to put them down.
definitely excited for our collection.